Hey, Amazon seller. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to handle product authenticity complaints. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we'll cover how to handle product authenticity complaints on Amazon. Product authenticity is crucial for maintaining your reputation and ensuring customer trust. Let's walk through the steps you should take if you encounter these complaints. Firstly, if you receive a complaint about the authenticity of your product, it's essential to respond promptly. Log into your Seller Central account and navigate to the Performance tab, then select Account Health. Here you'll find any complaints related to product authenticity. To address a complaint, start by reviewing the details. Determine whether the complaint is valid or if there might be a misunderstanding. If the product is genuine but there's an issue with how it's perceived, you might need to provide additional evidence or clarify the product's details. If the complaint is legitimate, take immediate action. Ensure that your product sourcing and inventory are compliant with Amazon's policies. Check your suppliers and make sure that all products are authentic and come with proper documentation. Respond to the complaint by providing Amazon with clear evidence of authenticity. This can include invoices from your suppliers, product certificates, or other documentation that proves the legitimacy of your products. It's also important to review and update your product listings to ensure they are accurate and clearly describe the product to prevent further confusion. Regularly monitor your account for any new complaints and address them quickly to maintain your account's health and customer trust. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.